And then next time, it's a very long story. I'll tell you the story about how to eat mangoes with good manners. It's a very long story, and I'm not going to go into it tonight. I'll tell you next time.
一代才女施南生病逝，但係佢骨子裏邊嘅優雅再度震撼全網。內地微博突然瘋傳一段由名導演爾冬陞現任女友親自上傳嘅30多秒珍貴影片，畫面入面留住標誌性銀色短髮嘅施南生，同平時電影大姐大嘅風格完全唔同，神態極之溫柔，用極度純正嘅英語教導演爾冬陞幾歲嘅女兒 Teresa 食芒果嘅優雅禮儀。中途佢留意到小女孩嘅坐姿太過放鬆啦，輕輕拍拍佢嘅膝頭，溫柔咁樣叮囑要記住永遠都要坐得端正。小女孩隨即挺直身體，仲喺施南生耳邊悄悄講話，兩代人相視而笑，畫面充滿咗愛，直頭好似一幅畫咁。影片一出，隨即衝上熱搜，無數網民睇完大讚，唔係土豪扮上流，而係真正由內到外散發出嚟嘅名門級家教。你又有冇被呢一幕感動到呢？留言話我知啊！聽娛樂，記得訂閱啦〜